I'm gonna be playing with my friend Cotton VR. Where'd he go?
I'm right here. So
I'm gonna be playing Revolver Wars with my friend Cotton VR.
So yeah,
if you haven't checked out his channel,
make sure to subscribe to him.
Yeah, if you haven't checked out Cotton VR's channel, he's a very popular boy.
So make sure to like and subscribe to Chocolate Milk VR. Don't skip this video. Make sure you watch till the very end, or else Chocolate Milk VR is coming to your house with the revolvers. So let's start off.
And you won't get any chocolate milk.
That is true.
So Revolver Wars.
Find our bases and then say on like the radio when you're ready.
Okay.
Alright, rules, no going in safe zone, and yeah.
Okay. He'll never know where I am. Okay, so we gotta hide from Cotton VR. So let's go a little higher just in case if he can see us. Okay, I'm back up. Okay. Oh, I see him. He's very easy to spot. I don't have the range for him. Imagine he just went ragdoll mode. He probably saw my gunfire. Oh, where's he going? He's going. Oh, he's going to the landmine area. I see him.
Where are you?
I'm gonna get him. He doesn't know where I am. I see you. Where is he?
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Hiya, pal. Dang, he's good.
Oh, I got you.
Where are you, Zai? I'm gonna find you. Where is he? Oh, I'm really scared. He's gonna.
I got him again.
Ready? Oh, I'm gonna hide all the way down here. He'll never find me in this glitched spot. Where just keep on going and going. Just keep on going. Oh. Not yet. Let me grab some ammo. Ready. Oh, he's gonna find me in here. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready for anything. Wait, the second gun doesn't have any ammo. Dang, I'm dead. I have no ammo. Dang. Once I run out of ammo, I need to grab some more ammo. Oh! This time I'm gonna cook him. He's cooked, bro. He's so cooked. He's cooked. I found his revolver. He has one less. He's so cooked. He has one less.
You tried to kill me.
Ready? Ready or not? Here I come.
Oh,
how did I miss that?
I'm out of ammo.
I suck. Oh, well then it's a free kill. That looks so weird. He was. Okay. Where's my gun go? I got karma. Oh, never mind. I'm out of. I'm gonna just do a tiny reload. Okay.
To the right foot.